Welcome to our 500 square foot Immersion Suite. First, we'll start with this, the bed. Nice king bed, I think. Can easily fit both of us in here. Plenty of room, very soft, plenty of pillows. Back side of the bed here, there's a desk. Moving over here, you got a dresser. We got some more extended stays. The TV here does pull out. It does tilt. Let's move over to the little sitting area. It's really nice when we walk through the room. There's a nice card here from the staff at the Carriage House. The nice part of the Carriage House is it offers added features that the regular American Club does not offer, such as we got evening hors d'oeuvres that had, we had selection of either beer or wine, and we could get some appetizers like meat and cheese and a veggie tray as well. And then this nice bottle of wine is sitting here for us. This is also for Carriage House suites. You get complimentary use of a Peloton, as well as dumbbells for all your workout needs. They do offer yoga and other fitness classes to enjoy while you stay here. And now we'll move to the Immersion Spa. Nice way to just sit back, relax after a long day of Pelotoning or anything. And this spa clearly is deep enough and big enough for two. Nice rain shower. You got a nice rain head here. 3 in the back, and even have a wand if you need to get some harder to reach areas. And a nice bench for ladies if they need to shave legs or anything, or if you just want to take a break. Separate toilet here, so in case someone wants to use the restroom, you can still kind of get ready in the morning or in the evening. Here's just your standard sink. All Kohler fixtures, obviously. Nice drawers, hair dryer in this one. Deep drawers, again, extended stay if you need to spread out a little bit. And here's the wet bar area. There's a fridge on this side. On this side is a coffee maker and other storage. And this is a nice towel rack if you want your towels heated in the morning. Lastly, a nice big closet we have. So you can see it can hold many of things. And that's it for the room tour. Thanks for coming along. If you are up ever in Kohler, Wisconsin, maybe for the 2021 Ryder Cup, give this place a look.